In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a coupon code in RockAuto. This is a great way to save some money on your automotive parts purchases, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, as long as you're comfortable with it. In the search bar, type in RockAuto and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. Make sure you're selecting the official RockAuto website. This is important because it ensures you're shopping in a secure environment and accessing the latest deals and offers. Once you've found the correct link, click on it. This will take you to the RockAuto homepage where you can begin your search for automotive parts. From here, you will see a list of automotive brands. Choose the brand that matches your vehicle. This is crucial because selecting the right brand is the first step in ensuring compatibility with your car. Next up, you'll need to choose the year, model, and engine type of your vehicle. This helps narrow down the available parts to those that are suitable for your specific car. Make sure you have this information handy to avoid any mistakes. After selecting these details, you'll be presented with a list of available parts. Now, browse through the parts list and find the specific part you need. Once you've found it, click on it to view more details. This step allows you to double-check the part's specifications and ensure it meets your requirements. If everything looks good, simply click the Add to Cart button. This action places the item in your shopping cart, where you can review it before finalizing your purchase. At this point, you'll need to enter your shipping details. This is a straightforward process and involves filling out your address and contact information. Look directly below your listed items in the shopping cart grid. You will see a small empty text field box next to the text that asks, "How did you hear about us?" Here, type or paste your 8-digit alphanumeric discount code directly into that box. Be careful not to enter any other text, characters, or spaces, as this can affect whether the code is accepted. This step is vital because entering the code correctly ensures that you receive the discount. After entering your code, click your mouse cursor anywhere outside the text box or press your keyboard's Enter key. The page will refresh and you should see a new line item labeled Discount appear in your price breakdown. This confirms that your coupon code has been successfully applied and you will see your savings reflected in the total amount. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a coupon code on RockAuto, saving yourself some money on your purchase. Remember, using coupon codes is a simple yet effective way to reduce costs, and it only takes a few extra seconds to complete. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and happy shopping on RockAuto.